Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sims for high school years. First, launch your game and either start a brand new save or load one you already have. Next, create a new teen sim or choose an existing one to send to Copperdale High. You'll then be able to explore the vibrant new world of Copperdale, full of exciting places to discover. Each school day, your sim will attend classes, work on homework, and study for exams to improve their grades. After school, they can join various clubs such as cheerleading, football, or the chess club to develop new skills and meet other Sims. Remember to build relationships with classmates and teachers, as these interactions shape your Sim's high school journey. Your teen Sim will experience many memorable milestones, including the excitement of prom, the challenge of senior pranks, and the triumph of graduation. They can also get a part-time job or start a side hustle, like streaming or selling clothes, to earn some simoleons. These experiences help shape their unique aspirations and character traits. To ensure your Sim has the best high school experience, focus on maintaining good grades and actively participating in classes. Don't forget to engage in all the social events, from parties to school dances, to boost your Sim's popularity and create lasting memories. And for easy meal prep solutions, check out the link in the description for these leak-proof containers and other great deals. Make sure to explore every aspect of Copperdale for a truly immersive gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.